The role of the liver. Now, many digested food molecules absorbed into the blood in the small intestines are carried to the liver for assimilation when food molecules are converted to other molecules that the body needs. So, this is assimilation. These include amino acids, which are used to build proteins such as fibrinogens, a protein found in blood plasma that is important for blood clotting. Now, excess amino acids absorbed in the blood that are not needed to make proteins cannot be stored, so they are broken down in the process called deamination. Now, enzymes in the liver split up the amino acid molecules. The part of the molecule which contains carbon is turned into glycogen and stored. The part which contains nitrogen is turned into ammonia, which is highly toxic and so immediately converted into urea, which is less toxic than ammonia. The urea dissolves in the blood and is taken to the kidneys to be excreted. A small amount is also excreted in the sweat.